Hello, genetic engineers, virologists. Today we are going to be making our paper plasmid. So get your handout, some scissors, and some tape, and let's get started. You're going to begin with the two strips that say Plasmid Strip A and Plasmid Strip B. And I'm going to cut those. We don't really care about the A and the B. So here are two pieces of our plasmid. I cut on the solid black lines, cut the ends off. Again, the A and the B are arbitrary. A plasmid is a ring. It has no beginning or no end. And now we're just going to attach these together to make it into a ring. So it doesn't matter if we go like this or like this. You just want the letters that are upright. All the letters are going to face upright, so they're going the same direction. Tape one end, loop it, tape the other end. So here we go, we have our original plasmid. So this would have come from a bacterium. It's just bacterial DNA, nothing very unique about it necessarily, except that it does have an antibiotic resistance gene. The purpose of the antibiotic resistance gene is we want to be able to grow this bacteria on a plate with a certain kind of antibiotic on it, and that just keeps it in the laboratory, keeps it very pure so other bacteria can't grow in that same spot. You'll cut your piece of viral DNA the same way that you did your plasmid DNA. Just cut the ends, cut along the black lines. Then your final step is going to be to figure out which restriction enzyme to use to cut these things, and you're going to have to use the same enzyme for both the viral DNA and the plasmid, and then put them together to make a giant plasmid that is your recombinant DNA. Make sure you follow all the rules on the PLTW site, and good luck making your recombinant DNA.